sa amin ay sumama. Iwan ang stress at mga problema. Siya'y pinaiway, sina ang bahala sa iyo at ililibot ka niya. Halina sa amin ay sumama. Iwan ang stress at mga problema. Siya'y pinaiway, sina ang bahala sa iyo at ililibot ka niya.
There's Emma. Park Ranger. Halika, dito tayo. Punta tayo dito. Hanapin natin yung ano. Yung sa taas. Gusto, uwi na tayo o akyat tayo sa taas? Ayan o, ito. Solar. Very interesting. So, Mercury. Solar system walk. Explore at our scale. The sun should be a bit larger than a basketball. Earth would be the size of a grain of rice, and Mercury would be less than half of that size. Are distance and size the only measurement we can scale? Travel to Venus for the answer. Wow! Let's see. Venus susunod. Puro pala mga ano to eh. Mga planet. Yeah. There's Venus. Wow. There. Did you think of time? We can also scale our measurement of time. If we use a time scale similar to our distance scale, in which 1 second is equal to 5.28 billion seconds, a very interesting event would have occurred at Mount Calavera in front of you. Approximately 33 hours. Can you guess what happened? Visit Earth for the answer. Let's see. Sunod na yung Earth. Here we are. Okay, we have made it back home. Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to harbor life. And the life is incredibly diverse. All the essential we need to survive exist under a thin layer of atmosphere that it separates us from the cold, airless void of space. Wow. Explore. On our time scale, 33 hours equals 20 million years. 20 million years ago at this location, Mount Calavera was an active volcano that had just erupted. Here are some other time-scaled facts. The Industrial Revolution would have begun a few seconds ago. Homo sapiens would have appeared about 20 minutes ago, 200,000 years ago. The Jurassic period began 2 weeks ago, including many of our favorite dinosaurs, as well as the split of Pangea, the last supercontinent to have existed on Earth. The mass extinction would have occurred about 10 days ago. Beginning the Cretaceous period, we have scaled really big things and time. Do you think we can scale really small things? You will find the answer at Mars. Let's go at Mars. Galing. Ganda. May ka na magbasa? Napagod na ako. Mars. We have now traveled 141 million miles from the sun to arrive at Mars. Mars is a cold desert world. It is half the diameter of Earth and has the same amount of dry land. Like Earth, Mars has seasons: polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. But its atmosphere is too thin for liquid water to exist for very long on the surface. However, the NASA scientists very recently discovered evidence that liquid water flows on the surface of Mars. Explore. We have not yet discovered life on Mars, but if we did, it might be very small. On our solar system walk, we have been taking very big planet and scaling them down? What if we take very small things and scale them up? For example, the average microscopic cell in your body is about 10 microns, 1 millionth of a meter. How big do you think a cell would be if we scaled it larger by the same amount we have scaled down our solar system? That's it. Hanggang Mars lang. Anong susunod sa Mars? I forgot.
Neptune? No?
Neptune. Limutan ko na yung mga ano. Saan ka pwedeng... Saan ba yung... Hello? Saan ba pwedeng makarating ang tao? Mars nga ba?
Mars.
Sa Mars? May nakarating na dun, ano?
Oo, Mars. Planet. Wala bang nakatanim si Jupiter kasi
Ano yung pinakamainit? Yung next to the sun, yung pinakamainit?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Yung Venus, puro babae daw? I don't know.
Venus po ba? May tao ba doon?
I don't know. Diba?
May tao daw doon.
Nalimutan ko na yung ano dyan. Ano nga ba subject yan?
Saan yan?
I know. Anong klase? Yung iba kasi diba may major.
Ano yung trailer dito papunta doon? Ayun, di ba yung...
Habitat. Ayun no, dapat dun tayo pupunta eh.
Hindi kaya nga ikot?
Ewan ko bakit natuntun ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko natuntun yun.
Hindi pwede dito wala naman trailer. Ito ba trailer ba yan?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Mamaya may mga ano dyan.
Tignan natin.
May mga rattlesnake, nagpo-cross.
Wala nang rattlesnake, malamig na. Spring. Pag rattlesnake, malamig.
Nag-ano sila?
Ay ano,
Nag-hide na.
kapag April, spring, doon lumalabas.
Pag ganito,
Ay, meron pa pala eh. Ayan, Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Jupiter is the most massive planet in our solar system. With dozens of moons and an enormous magnetic field, it forms a kind of miniature solar system. Jupiter resembles a star in composition, but it did not grow big enough to ignite. The planet's swirling cloud stripes are punctuated by massive storms such as the Great Red Spot, which has ranged for hundreds of years. Ay, nakakatamad basahin. Ano na ako? Pagod na ako magbasa. Hinihingal na.
Bakit kailangan mag-bike tayo dito?
Hindi ako marunong magbike.
Ay, sus.
Habitat Conservation Area.
Ano pa ba tayo?
Halika na, balik na tayo.
Mukha yata malayo.
Oo. Baka pabalik na ito nung ano.
Baka ikot pa yung ganun.
Baka pabalik na to ng school.
Ang school?
May school dun eh.
Oh.
School bukol.
Paano ka nakarating doon?